The basics of using a discussion forum. A discussion forum provides you with a means to contribute content, typically but not limited to text, into a Yorkshare module. Forums are often used to facilitate discursive activity between you and your fellow students, and also between you and teaching staff. Discussion forums are hierarchical. The discussion board provides access to multiple forums. A forum contains differently themed threads of conversation. A thread contains all the posts made in reply to the initial and successive posts made in the thread. Access to a discussion forum can be made available to you in a number of ways, including from within a Yorkshare module's content area, linking you directly into a forum, or from a Yorkshare module's left menu, linking you to the discussion board, which then affords access to multiple forums. To access a forum, click the name of the link provided to you. If you are first linked to the discussion board, you will then need to select a forum from the provided list. Once in a forum, you will be presented with a tabular list of the threads that have been started thus far, assuming any have been posted. Threads displayed in a bold font have yet to be viewed by you. To read the text of a post, click on the subject title of the post. The screen will refresh, showing you the post you clicked upon in the context of the full thread. When viewing the posts of a thread made in a forum, you can usually choose to respond to it with a post of your own by clicking its reply button. By default, the first post in the thread shows a reply button. If you want to reply to a different post in the thread, just roll your cursor over it to reveal its reply button. When you have clicked a reply button, the post associated with that button will expand to include additional fields, allowing you to respond to the post. Enter the main body of your response by clicking in the message box and then typing. You can also edit the subject text if you wish in the same manner. It's important to note that clicking the Save Draft button will not publish your post to the forum. When you are happy with your post, click the Submit button. To return to the table of threads in the forum, click the OK button at the bottom right of the forum interface. Note that a thread can be deliberately locked by staff. In such circumstances, the thread remains viewable, but you can't reply to any posts in the thread. To create a new thread in a forum, click the Create Thread button, visible when viewing the forum's list of threads. When you have clicked the Create Thread button, the screen will refresh, showing a form allowing you to enter a subject for your post and to enter the content or message of your post. When you have prepared your post, click the Submit button to publish it to the forum. A feature of discussion forums you may find particularly useful is the Collect option. This feature can be used at the screen displaying all the threads in a forum. The Collect feature brings posts, selected by ticking the box to the left of a post, into one screen for easy reading. When you've selected the post you wish to read in one screen, click the Collect button. The ensuing view still provides you with the ability to reply to the posts displayed, assuming the thread they are a part of hasn't been locked.